This is the 100% accurate and perfect timing alignment for the VQ35 engine, found in various Nissan and Infiniti models. The technical timing formula for this engine is identical across all these vehicles. To start the timing alignment, first bring the engine to top dead center. Set cylinder number 1 on bank 1 to absolute top position. At the same time, its companion piston, cylinder number 4, will also come to the top position. Next, adjust the position of all 4 camshafts. The dowel pins on all camshafts must point straight up to the 12 o'clock position. In this position, all valves for cylinder number 1 will be completely free, while cylinder number 4 valves will be in the overlap position. Both intake cam gears are identical to each other, and both exhaust cam gears are also identical, with clear timing marks on them. When installing the secondary chain, match the timing marks carefully. On bank 1, match the single punch mark on the intake gear and the double punch mark on the exhaust gear. On bank 2, match the single notch on the intake gear and the double notch on the exhaust gear. Always ensure the yellow links on the chain match single marks to single and double marks to double. Once the main timing chain and primary cam gears are installed, double-check all points. First, crank position. The woodruff key aligns with the block mark, and the lower colored link is fixed on its timing mark. Second, piston position. Cylinder number 1 and its companion. Cylinder number 4 are at absolute top dead center. Third, valve state. All valves on cylinder number 1 are completely free, while cylinder number 4 valves are in overlap. Fourth, timing plate alignment. The index marks on the back side. Timing plate align face 2, face with the exhaust cam marks. Everything is 100% perfect. Now we install the timing cover, complete the remaining assembly, and start the engine. If you found this exact VQ35 timing method helpful, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. For the most reliable and accurate mechanic secrets, follow Zaman Mechanic right now.